May the Lord bless you and keep you. And the Lord make His face to shine upon you and give you grace. And the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. This is our prayer with confidence. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
To complete the Asian food three meals by what we did is nilagyan natin ng Thai dishes and malatang, which is the hot pot. And syempre, Filipino food will be there for agemono and Japanese food. And aside from that, naglagay tayo ng cafe. So, sa mga sweet food, meron din tayo. So, yun yung ginawa natin sa agemono at Shan branch.
I'm glad to be part of it because tingnan mo, this is agemono. This is one restaurant. The products of all the LFBD are here, and it just shows me that everyone is looking out for each other and helping each other.
Are truly cohesive. Competition, as far as they are concerned, is healthy, and truly they support each other. And in fact, Robert here was once the president.
Thank you.
And yes, maligayang babi.
Arawan.
Bagong taon.
Thank you po, Ma'am Bobby.
Congratulations, Robert. And again, tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Sa pagtulong mo rin, of course, sa community. Congratulations. Saludo ko sa iyo. God bless you.